Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome back to my channel, where I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. Today in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate retained earnings, which is a very important topic in limited company. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, we'll know the process, the way to calculate retained earnings. Then we will follow an example. Then we will see how to calculate. Okay, so we know here retained earnings. It is opening balance. Okay. Plus profit for the year minus transfer to general reserve minus dividend paid. Okay, then if we see that we have a proposed dividend, then we have to also subtract here. Okay, so let us write here minus dividend proposed. Okay, so here if we put the value here, then if we calculate, so we'll be able to know our retained earnings closing balance. Okay, so let us have a look at the question on this screen. MPT Limited prepares its financial statements to 30 April each year. Okay, the company's retained earnings at 1st May 2019 were $14,000. The general reserve was $35,000. Okay, so here the year ending of this business is 30 April. Yeah. Okay, so here it is 2020. So the start of the business is 1st May 2019. So this is the accounting period for this business. So here in this question, retained earnings opening balance means 1st May 2019 is given, which is $14,000. Yeah. So let us write here $14,000. Okay, very good. Now let us have a look at the question once again. During the year ended 30 April 2020, the following took place. Okay, number one, company made a profit for the year of $28,000 after charging debenture interest. Okay, so profit for the year is given here in this question. It is $28,000. Okay, so let us write here $28,000, and we will add this amount with this $14,000, the retained earnings opening balance. Okay, very good. Then what do you have in the question? Number two, a transfer of $5,000 was made to the general reserve. Okay, so there is a general reserve, we have to subtract. Yeah, it is $5,000. So let us write here $5,000. So this amount will be subtracted. So let us put a bracket here. Okay, very good. Then what do you have in the question? Number three, a dividend of $4,500 was paid. Okay, no other dividends were payable for the year. That means here only dividend paid is given. There is no dividend proposed. Okay, so dividend paid is here $4,500. So we have to subtract this amount as well. Okay, and here there is no proposed dividend. Okay, so these are the items, these are the transitions you have here to calculate the retained profit closing balance. Okay, very good. So now what to do? Now we have to calculate. Okay, we have to add these two amounts first of all, then we have to subtract these two amounts, $5,000 and $4,500. Okay, So if we calculate what we get here, 14,000 plus 28,000 equal to $42,000 minus $9,500. So what we get here, it is $32,500. Okay, so this is retained earnings. At the closing date 30 April 2020. Okay, so let us write here 30 April 2020. Okay, so this is how we can calculate retained earnings. This is very simple calculations, but you have to remember that these two items, these three items, if you have in a question, you have to subtract and you have to add profit for the year with the retained earnings opening balance. If it is a new business, then retained earnings opening balance will not be given. Okay, but still you can calculate with this profit for the year. Okay, then you'll be able to calculate your retained earnings for the year. Okay, so this is a quick and simple lesson. I hope you understood and enjoyed this lesson. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please share with your friends. And please consider subscribing to my channel, because there are other so many accounting tutorials. Those will help you to learn accounting, to understand accounting, to prepare yourself for your exam or test. Okay, so I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.